Yeah, alright guys, how you all doing? We are out of this, and now we're in buys on ETH. The reason for this is simple. I will bring over these, and okay, hang on, let's pull the dollar index over. So here, this move was bigger than, in terms of the dollar strength, than the crypto strength. So crypto went down. Here, this move was less than this, so crypto went up. BTC and ETH have moved sideways for a few days, while XMR has been allowed to rise, Zcash to rise, almost. Zcash risen in those few days? No, not really, but it 1, 2, 3. Hang on, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, no. Okay, so there's one that has moved wherever it is. Yeah, right. Neo has moved up, has been allowed to rise. So has ZIL. And 1, 2, 3. So has YGG. And so has EOS. Which means that the dollar is still weak and therefore shouldn't be sold at the moment. So we on that basis, we don't want to hold short for too long. On the weekend, when you can't see what the dollar's doing, it still adds it up because it's at this correlator indicator. It's still adding it up. So now we have this additional amount of time to look at. If you see this where BTC has not risen, but dollar has continued, that is confirming what we are seeing over here. Also, I do believe we are still in a buy model, because if we could see the numbers, it would be easier. But I haven't got any numbers that are making sense yet to me. But we're going to find them. Sorry, what was I saying? Yeah. So, okay. If we look here, this has moved up a huge amount, while BTC has stopped. At the beginning, you'd think, that's a sign of BTC weakness. It's not. It is relative to YGG, but we can't trade YGG and BTC. So the amount it's moved here, YGG, is less than BTC, meaning it still has room to go up. So BTC doesn't need to collapse. It can wait for the others to catch it first, the weaker ones, such as EOS as well. It looks strong there, but really, we can't forget where we are in the overall perspective, because this time frame is still playing out. So we'll go to the 4-hour on. So if you can't see back to where we are, then you have to move out. If you want to do it this way, that is. You don't have to do it this way at all. BTC has moved all the way back to this one. So, but EOS has still got so much more room to go. So this could still be a bull model, and I believe it is based on this. This is this is where everyone's going to sell and be wrong. So we don't want to be one of those guys. Look how much room there is on this. It's crazy. So yeah, yeah. I mean that's it, right? And with the dollar continuing to move here, so there's the high this day. We'll draw a little line here. Look, and that's our range. Let's just say. And then we'll put the same one here. Time doesn't matter. We don't have to have it exact. You can see it's come further. And then the advantage of using this is we can see it on the weekend. So we need to add more. You see it's still continuing. So if we look at ETH BTC here, you see it's gone sideways for this amount of time. While BTC for that amount of time, so it's 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So BTC rose that time. 6 days. ETH rose against USD for the 6 days, while ETH held against BTC, suggesting to me that this move is going to ramp up and actually increase its strength. So yeah, BTC might be weaker, but not necessarily against the dollar. It can hold / grind up while the rest go higher. I think that's what's going on here. You know, these numbers here, we don't use the whole thing. We'll just say 296. It's gone up, while ETH only went up 224. The others are even, and you know, we did that last night. So we talked about that last night. This same amount of time, XMR 6 days has gone down, confirming BTC's current strength. 6 days, the same here with LTC, it's gone down, confirming the BTC strength. And same with Zcash. So I wouldn't sell this again. It's a buy, but really ETH will be the ultimate one to buy. So we're gonna buy some more. And we'll hold that for the rest of the weekend. And we're going to anticipate a move somewhere back up into here. You know, here. Because ETH has gone so far. BTC has. Yeah. While here, USD is dropping. But yeah, anyway, guys, that's the trade for the rest of the weekend. Cheers.